Leaving the train at Sanam Chai Station in the heart of Bangkok's historic centre allows you to walk to some brilliant places nearby, or easily catch a river taxi to many others. Step out of exit 1 and you'll be right next to Museum Siam. This interactive museum is a great way to learn about Thailand's fascinating history, perfect for families with kids. Leave through exit 5 and cross the canal to visit Bangkok's biggest flower market, which stretches all the way to the Memorial Bridge. If you have time, be sure to pop into the Floral Café for a unique experience. Cross the footbridge at the mouth of the canal and take the ferry from Atsadang Pier to reach Wat Kalayanamit, Santa Cruz Church and Wat Prayun, all connected by a scenic riverside path. If you're feeling energetic, it's possible to walk to Wat Pho and even the Grand Palace. From exit 1, follow the road in the direction of the tall twin towers in the distance. For a more relaxing and scenic option, head towards Rajinee Pier, located near the station, where you can board a river taxi for further exploration. Boats heading to the right will next stop at either Wat Arun Pier or Ta Tien Pier. Ta Tien is closest to Wat Pho, home to the reclining Buddha. A frequent cross-river ferry conveniently links the two piers. Just 2 stops along from Rajinee, all boats call at Ta Chang Pier. This is the best place to disembark if you want to visit the Grand Palace, the heart of Bangkok. After the next bridge, you'll find Prayun Pier. From there, it's just a 10-minute walk to Khaosan Road, a well-known hub for backpackers and budget travellers. We have a separate video showing you exactly how to get there. Chinatown, Talaat Noi, Riverside and ICONSIAM lie in the opposite direction along the river. For Riverside and Talaat Noi, one of Bangkok's more traditional neighbourhoods, use the Marine Department Pier. Note that only Chao Phraya express boats stop here. ICONSIAM has its own pier and a free viewing terrace on the 7th floor. If your main destination is Chinatown, it may be more convenient to leave the train at Wat Mangkon Station rather than Sanam Chai. There is a link to a map of Sanam Chai Station and the surrounding area in the description to help you explore. To learn more about the places featured in this video, head over to our website, goingtobangkok.com. There, you'll find dedicated videos and helpful information to plan your Bangkok adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button.